All right, let's do our review. So we've been talking about using our distributive property when we've been seeing if things were equivalent or solving for things. So we're gonna, for each of these, we're gonna decide whether these two expressions are equivalent, meaning are they equal or not. So remember, we are going to use these down here. We're gonna use our distributive property. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to circle that number in front of the parentheses. I don't like that circle. Close enough. All right, and then we are going to distribute it to each of the numbers inside. So that means 8 times n, remember? 8 times n minus 8 times 3. What is 8 times n? Well, it's just 8n, 8 times n. Keep that minus. What is 8 times 3? That's 24. Is 8 times n, there we go. Is 8 times n minus 24 the same as 8 times n plus 24? Oh, that addition symbol right there gives it away that it is not equal because of the fact, so we're going to drag this circle right here. We're going to drag it over this no. I'll make it nice and large. So it is not equivalent because, oh, that kind of looks like a pool ball table number. One of those pool balls. When you play like the game. Because addition and subtraction are different, so they are not the same. They are not equal. They are not equivalent. Let's take a look over here. So we have 2p plus 32, and then we have 2 times that p plus 3. Let's take a look here. So we're going to circle that number in front of the parentheses, and then we're going to distribute. So 2 times p plus 2 times 3. 2 times p is just 2p. Keep that plus, keep that plus. 2 times 3 is 6. Is 2 times p plus 6 the same as 2 times p plus 32? What? Those aren't the same. So we're going to take this circle and we're going to drag it over that no. Alrighty, let's take a look at that last one here. So we have 10 times v, or 10v plus 90. Let's circle the number in front of our parentheses for this one, 10. And we're going to distribute it to that v. So that means 10 times v. Keep that plus, plus 10 times 9. All right, 10 times v is just 10 times v, 10v. Keep that plus. 10 times 9 is 90. Is 10 times v plus 90 the same as 10 times v plus 90? Ah, yay! Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So we're going to drag this circle over that. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. And that's going to be it for the review. Woohoo! Great job.